To remove the folding top, the vehicle must be standing on a flat surface. Please note, only experienced specialists should attempt to repair the folding top. The GM Academy offers suitable training courses. For servicing work on the folding top, the service literature describes defined folding top positions. First of all, in position 3, the folding top and stowage compartment lid must be open. Remove the rear seat and the interior trim. Disconnect the battery and detach the negative terminal. The folding top hinge plate is fastened to the body with 3 bolts. The installation position of the hinge plate is determined during production by the position of the folding top anchor plate. The anchor plate itself is fastened to the body with 2 bolts, independently of the hinge plate. Check the anchor plate bolts on both sides. Is the bolt paint seal intact? Caution: these 2 bolts must not be undone, otherwise the anchor plate work setting will be lost. If you are merely replacing the folding top, these bolts should remain untouched. Adjustment of the 2 folding top anchor plates may be necessary if the bolt seal is no longer intact or the bolts are loose. If there is structural damage to the body, for example due to a collision. If the folding top has been damaged, for example in a multi-storey car park. Loosen but don't remove the 3 folding top hinge plate bolts. Loosen the 3 hinge plate bolts on the other side. Caution: the hinge plate must not move while the fastening bolts are being loosened. If the hinge plate moves, the installation position of the folding top must be checked using the gauge and readjusted if necessary. The hinge plate must always rest on the anchor plate. Move the folding top manually into position 2. To do this, guide the folding top as far as the roof front header panel and move the folding top tension bow into the service position and fix it there. 2 hydraulic cylinders are installed on each side. Each of the 4 cylinders is attached with 2 pins and 2 clips. First, remove the upper hydraulic cylinder pin from its holder. Do the same on the other side. The hydraulic line and the folding top wiring harness are attached on both sides with cable ties. On reinstallation, the cable ties must be fitted at the same locations, so first mark the position, then remove. Disconnect the folding top electrical plug connection on the right and the left-hand side. With the help of a second mechanic, move the folding top into position 3. Unscrew the 3 folding top hinge plate bolts on both sides. Protect the rubber seal on the left and right-hand sides in the rear area. Attach straps of a sufficient length to the holes at the top of the hinge plate. These make it easier to lift out the folding top. Lift the folding top out of its anchorage. Get a third person to place a suitable support across the body. This support serves as a rest for the folding top and should be at least 1.70 meters long. Then move the folding top into a higher position to give you direct access for further removal of the hydraulic cylinders. Another 3 pins have to be loosened. Caution: make sure the hydraulic lines are not nipped or kinked while you are doing this. Remove the lower pin and its clip. The lower hydraulic cylinder can now be detached from its holder. Detach the upper hydraulic cylinder from the hinge plate. Remove the 2 pins and clips. Repeat the procedure with the 2 hydraulic cylinders on the other side. To protect it from damage, place the wiring harness on the hinge plate. Now, the folding top can be removed.